There's a lot more to it than just going out and saying, all right, we're going to make this much money today. This is how much these guys are going to cost me today. Well, what's left over after paying bills, there's my profit. You don't realize that you break those down into percentages, and you use those percentages, and you can say, all right, well, if this guy's going to spend this much time on this property today, as long as this property makes this amount of money, he can spend all day there if he wanted to, as long as he stays inside those percentages of what the business is going to make over the course of time.
The number one takeaway, I guess, is utilizing our debt or our credit to better our business. You know, we've always been a cash first type business, use cash, buy equipment. That's how we always had our motto. And, you know, talking with Mark and learning some of the steps he's learned or used, you know, we're gonna take that back and start utilizing our credit line and debt line, I guess, to you know, keep more cash back and invest that in other things to better us overall, business and personally.
It's a good time too, networking with a couple people I've met before in the social media sphere, and get to know those guys and some connections there. Of course, the networking, you know, is a huge thing, and so yeah, that part's all been awesome.
How important your numbers are. I think at least the lawn care industry, everybody's always looking at the shiny equipment, looking at like all of the shininess and the new equipment and the new mower, the new trimmer, the new blower, when the biggest tips I've gotten from talking to everybody here really was around numbers and your budget and just knowing what's happening, because the numbers never lie in your company. So seeing Mark's presentation of just the numbers is just like eye-opening. Like what he can write on just one page like opens up to a whole new world that you didn't even know, like you didn't know that's what made a successful company. So it's super cool.